The Hadid 110 inches kamikaze drone was unveiled on Wednesday morning during an exhibition of Iranian Defense Ministry achievements which was visited by the leader of the Islamic Revolution Ayatollah Seyyed Ali Khamenei. Meanwhile, Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, has unveiled its latest loitering munition drone, the Seyyed, during the ongoing military drills codenamed Great Prophet 19. The drone, with a range of 20 kilometers and an operating time of 20 minutes, is designed for rapid deployment and targeted attacks, particularly in complex terrain, according to the IRGC. Our drones carried out several rounds of firing and drone operations, and in our scenario, we successfully destroyed hypothetical enemies and terrorists attacking Iranian bases, said Mohammad Pakpour, the commander of the IRGC ground forces, on the sidelines of the exercise in the Azgela region in the western Kermanshah province. The suicide drone is fired from a cylindrical launcher and transmits live video to the operator, allowing for precise target selection and engagement, IRGC media Tasneem reported. Also on Thursday, the Iranian army announced that it will incorporate 1,000 new drones into its combat forces in the coming days. These drones were designed and manufactured jointly by the Iranian Army and the Ministry of Defense. Commander of the Army's ground force Brigadier General Qaimars Haidari said that the new military equipment joining the Army has capabilities like maneuverability, precision, and smartness, but he did not elaborate on details. Iran has been conducting multiple military exercises in the past few weeks, including air defense drills near nuclear sites like Natanz and a 110,000-strong besiege mobilization in Tehran. IRGC Commander-in-Chief Hossein Salami said Thursday that the ongoing military exercises aim to make the enemies refine their assessments of Iran's defense capabilities and demonstrate that the country's deterrence is unaffected by external events, a tacit reference to the fall of Tehran's longtime ally Bashar al-Assad in Syria. The goal of the exercises is to adjust and refine the enemy's calculations regarding Iran's defense power so that they do not make decisions based on incorrect calculations, Salami said. Foreign developments do not affect our deterrence. He discussed what he characterized as enemy attempts to depict Iran's defense capabilities as diminished, particularly in the wake of developments in Syria. The enemy has invested heavily in psychological and media operations, especially after recent events in Syria, to foster the perception that the defensive and deterrent power of the Islamic Republic of Iran has weakened and that Iran has lost its regional deterrent assets, he said. The Great Prophet 19 exercise is the latest in a series of drills conducted by Iran's military to showcase its capabilities and project a message of strength in the region, following consecutive defeats for its allies since September.